Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. What is the best emotion to use when creating experimental horror? Anger. In my opinion, that is the way to go, because it's anger, as far as I'm concerned, that keeps us alive and keeps us thriving. That way, you can create the avant-garde genre of horror. You can go in depth in the mind with so much of this, and when you start filming and you use that emotion of anger, it will definitely have the ideas flow for you. Write them down on script, go out and film them, and believe me, the emotions will make your filming creativity flow. That will be a true artistic value of the avant-garde genre. Use your emotions of the day, whatever happened to you, whatever you can't stand or you're just totally upset about, and apply that to avant-garde experimental cinema. And you will definitely come out, as far as I'm concerned, with something very, very interesting. Alright? Hope this helps you. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share our videos, join our Morbid Team Entertainment barter, buy, and sell group, and put a like on the Morbid Team Entertainment page. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.